Honey, do you need to go poop? You go poop? So now we're just going to harvest some garlic here. This was quite a while ago now, so I think this was around July that this was filmed. I just haven't shared it with you guys yet. But yeah, I hope you enjoy just some clips of me harvesting my garlic and then cleaning it up some. Yeah. Oh, baby Johnny. So here we have our wild bergamot, and we're gonna harvest this, as you can see. Now this is a medicinal plant here in my garden. I use it for, I'm no herbalist, so don't take me as one, but this can be used to treat colds, the flu, bronchitis. It's good at relieving gas. So yeah, it's good for many things. So we're just gonna harvest a bunch of this and get it all dehydrated. There was quite a few raspberries to pick on this day, which is always lovely. So now we're gonna get ready to go to the Soul Food Festival. Well, we're just gonna hop on there.
You should take a video.
It's kind of a fast video, but catfish.
Catfish is crazy.
Catfish and fries. Real good.
It's hot.
How is it?
Hot.
It is hot. It's
Good.
fresh. That's how you know it's fresh.
Freshly fried.
More sauce on my arm. It's really sunny right now, but this is the Rose Garden. You probably can't hear me, can you? No, probably not. Look at it. There's a little fountain and some people. These roses are beautiful. We made it to the lake and we found our own little corner here. It's super cute. Johnny's loving it. But now we need to eat these strawberries, drink some water, maybe write some, and then jump in the water. It is so nice over here. Good job! This bird keeps like flying so close to us, right above us. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness. Does that mean something? Let me know.
Okay.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Looks like this is gonna be the end of today's video, but I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!